press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey friends, this is Ashok Riwal. I welcome you all in today's video. Yes, my dear friends, today is 9 August and we are going to discuss all the important news of the day. And let me know, are you worried that you did not get the time and you couldn't see even the newspaper? Are you worried that what is happening around in the world and you don't know that what are the main news of the day? So if is it so, don't worry my dear friends. This is Ashok Riwal with you to share all the important news of the day without wasting much time. No break, no ad breaks, direct news from the top newspapers. The first of the 9th August, that is the Nagasaki Day, is observed every year on 9 August. On August 9, 1945, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on Nagasaki, Japan. The bomb that was dropped on Nagasaki was known as Fat Man. So the day is specially observed for that reason, as you know, as we have discussed here, that the bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, right? So US Army that dropped. The next news, the International Day of the world's indigenous peoples, World Tribal Day actually is observed on 9 August. The theme, leaving no one behind. Indigenous peoples and the call for a new social contract. This is the theme. Actually, in most of the competitive exams, these days are asked, and especially the theme they are asked. So the theme of the day is leaving no one behind. Indigenous peoples and the call for a new social contract. Actually, this day is specially observed for the World Tribal Day, World Tribal people, so that they can also be forward in the social contract. The next news in the same series, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood launched travel union. Everybody knows Sonu Sood, in a great love and affection, just even especially in the COVID time. So here, the Bollywood actor Sonu Sood launched travel union, a rural business to business B2B travel tech platform to democratize travel services. So the next news in the same series, India has been ranked 48th position in the medal table out of 86 countries, with 7 medals comprising 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals at Tokyo Olympic 2020. So out of 86 countries, India is on 48th rank with 7 medals. Right? So we know well that the gold medal in Tokyo Olympic, that is won by Neeraj Chopra. The next news, the United States has topped the overall medal table. So who is the top in Tokyo 2020? That is United States. With how many medals? 113 medals, which includes 39 gold medals, 41 silver and 33 bronze medals. And when the next Olympic is going to be held in Paris, France. And the next news in the same series, that is the Indian Navy and UAE Navy conducted a bilateral naval exercise. What is the meaning of bilateral? The bilateral naval exercise means from both the sided. Zayed Talwar 2021 on the August 7, 2021 off the coast of Abu Dhabi. So this naval bilateral exercise was conducted on 7 August 2021 where at Abu Dhabi. So let's move towards the next news. The next news in the same series, that is Central has extended the term of service of Rajiv Gauba as the Cabinet Secretary of India for further period of 1 year. So who is Rajiv Gauba? The Cabinet Secretary of India. His time period is extended for 1 more year. Next news, Gujarat-based Marwari University has announced Ravindra Jadeja as its new brand ambassador, as these questions can also be asked in the competitive exams. So here, Gujarat-based Marwari University has announced Ravindra Jadeja as its new brand ambassador. The next news in the same series, that is the Thailand has banned sunscreens containing chemical that damage coral from all its marine national parks. So Thailand has banned. Who has banned? Thailand. What? Sunscreens. Why? To damage the coral. What is the coral actually? These are the specific of species, the animals which are found in the aquatic animals actually in the marine national parks. So they are to be harmed. That's why they banned it. The next news in the same series, that is Haryana government has launched the first of its kind Har Hit. So what is the meaning of Har Hit? Who started first? Haryana government. What is the meaning of Har Hit? Store scheme to promote the sale of quality products of daily need at reasonable prices. So they started some special stores to provide the reasonable prices. England fast bowler James Anderson surpassed Anil Kumble 619 to become the third highest wicket taker. So he took the highest wicket in the Test cricket. Who? England fast bowler James Anderson. The next news and the last news of the day, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant successfully completed a 5-day maiden sea voyage. It was the first sea voyage 5 days as the performance of the key system of 40,000 ton warship was found to be satisfactory. So this is a great achievement and this is the great news. So these are the important news, and I'm sure that these are going to be very beneficial to all of you. So daily we bring these news and it is going to be very helpful to all of you. And for all the competitive exams, if you are new on the channel, please you can subscribe, you can like, and if you want to share something, so please you are feel free to share your comments on this channel.